In this video, I will show you easy and perfect way to do DIY duck pond. In this school project, the child will learn about the pond ecosystem. Let's start making. First of all, you should take a cardboard and cut it into round shape. Then take multicolored clay and knead them into small balls. Stick them to the cardboard using Fevicol. They look like colorful pebbles. All the stones must be equal in size and distributed evenly. Stick all the clay-made pebbles using Fevicol. Take an egg tray made of cardboard and cut out socket with scissors. Now apply glue and stick to the cardboard. Color them as you like. They look like big rocks around the pond. Stick them evenly. You can also make big rocks with the help of brown colored clay. Now it's time to paint. Paint the entire cardboard with sky blue color. It looks like water in the pond. Next, start making ducks using clay. Make the lower part by kneading the clay as shown in the figure. Next, make long neck as shown in the video. Attach the neck to the lower part. Then add beaks and eyes to the duck. The duck is ready. Make more ducks using different clay. One duck should be big and other ducks should be small. Stick them to the cardboard using Fevicol. Now it's time to make fish in the pond. Knead the clay in the shape of fish as shown in the video. Make 2 or 3 fishes of different sizes. Then make small grass with green colored clay. Make colorful flowers in different sizes using clay. Stick them all to the cardboard using Fevicol. Now the project is completed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.